welcome back to my channel. I know this angle is not the best. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the essential materials that you need to make your own lip gloss at home. First of all, I just want to say lip gloss is a very crucial business where you can make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. If you guys don't believe me, look at what Kylie Jenner is. She is arguably a billionaire, so you can literally make your own lip gloss at home. You don't even need a supplier. Some people are just sitting at home, they don't want to start businesses because their main excuse is, I don't know a supplier, I don't know where to source items, I don't know where to buy items. Did you really know that you can literally make them at the comfort of your own home, and it's even more cheaper? So the very first thing that you need, the most important thing that you need, is a lip gloss base. You can't make a lip gloss without a lip gloss base. This is what you're gonna use to mix. This is what you're gonna use to add all other crucial ingredients, like all your oils, all whatever you need, the flavors, the pigment and everything. So the lip gloss bases are different. There is the moist one, which is made for like a gloss base to make literally lip glosses. And this one is the matte one, which is used to make matte lip glosses. Did you say matte lip gloss? I mean matte lipsticks. Yeah, so I think after that, this lip gloss base are literally, it's just a base. What I think is also important is your oils, because oils are very good for the skin. That is why most of the time when you try to apply some lip glosses, they just like your, what can I say, your lips are gonna look so glossy but your skin still be dry. It's because people don't know the right oils to add to their lip glosses. So I think the most important oil is the jojoba oil. These are the benefits. It's literally written under here. It softens the skin, moisturizes the skin, and it's a non-greasy carrier oil. I think this is one of my best. I cannot make a lip gloss without jojoba oil because it's literally so good for the skin. It's gonna leave your lips so moist and everything. The other oil that is very super important is almond oil. Almond oil is literally one of the oils that I cannot make a lip gloss without. It's actually optional. You're gonna choose because some people are react to this oil. So yeah, so this is gonna be optional depending on what you're going for. You can literally use different oils, but I just feel like these two are literally, it's a must. You have to put them on your lip gloss. This is almond oil. It also has so many benefits. Moisturizes the skin being one of them. It heals the skin and other good benefits. And then the other oil, which is secondary, I can make a lip gloss without this. It's literally not a big deal, but because I want my lip gloss to be high quality and I know exactly what I'm going for, I think olive oil is also good. Super essential for a lip gloss. Yeah, so if you just want to be extra, you can go and add this is what, the rose hip oil, but if you're working on a budget, this is literally not necessary. So I'm gonna show you guys, these are like base oils. These are literally like close to the natural form. They are not infused with fragrances or everything, which is very good, because these days people are looking for like organic materials. They don't want things which are full of fragrances or anything. So I feel like if you're making a lip gloss, these are the best because they're literally base oils, like, yeah, very close to a natural thing. But nonetheless, this one, they are not base oils, but they are also good because they've added other chemicals which actually maximizes their benefits to the skin. So yeah, if you can look at the back here, they've written all the ingredients that they added, and most of these ingredients are literally natural ingredients. So you can use the base oil, or you can use these oils because they actually say 100% natural, but they didn't specify that they're base oils. So this one is like the jojoba oil, like I said, and you guys already know the benefits. And this one is also the olive oil. So this one is the coconut oil. So coconut oil is also so important, guys. Like literally I love it because it's also come with like a good aroma, but a few people can react to it. So I think this one can come to, you know, different flavors of your lip glosses depending on your clients and your target market. It also moisturizes and it softens the skin. That is why I like it so much. So after you've done with your base a lip gloss, your lip gloss base and your oils, the next crucial thing is the lip tints. Lip tints are the ones that are going to add color to your lip gloss. This is red and this is orange red. I don't think they have a huge benefit to the lip gloss in terms of nutrients and moisture and all that, but I feel like they just give color. And yeah, so like if you put orange oil, you can use an orange lip tint and maybe put a flavor of orange, so they just brings color, because most people like color on their lips, but it's not really a big deal. But definitely people are gonna go for a colorful lip gloss than a clear one. So yeah, so these are the ones that I have. I also want to show you guys the other one that I have. This is the other lip tint, which is blue. I don't know where and how, but it looks like I've literally misplaced my nude lip tint, but they're literally the most important when it comes to ingredients. That is all that you need. The next thing that you're going to need is obviously packaging. You can use a different packaging. Some people use these are like travel container kind of thing, because I just wanted to try different ways of coming with the best lip gloss. I didn't buy a lot of them. I just bought 3, and I just bought 3 for the purpose of this video. There's also this one. I've seen a lot of people using it. As you guys see, these are very cheap. They are like less than $1 for like 3. So yeah, this is how they look like, and these are also like a travel size. And also these are like the typical lip gloss container, but I feel like if you're gonna use this one, so it means like you're gonna sell your lip glosses for cheap. I don't know, there's something about packaging, but when I tell you that most of the time the same thing that it's in here, they're gonna put it in here and sell it for an expensive price. You're also gonna need your spatulas for mixing. I feel like these ones are small, but if you're gonna go onto business, you definitely need bigger ones. And you're gonna need your containers to mix. Definitely, if you're gonna be making a business, you're gonna need bigger ones, because you're gonna be you know, making lip glosses in high quantities. You also need your packaging boxes, because yeah. So I bought this one just to show you guys that you can definitely make your lip gloss from scratch, package it, label it, and literally sell it and make money. So all of these things that you see here have literally cost me like less than $50, if I'm not mistaken. So you can literally do this, but most of people don't even bother. So I feel like packaging is the most important thing when it comes to business, but most people just sell them like this. You only need to label your containers to your name, because you want to brand your business. Yeah, all in all, I feel like these are the essential things that you need. The other thing that I also want to emphasize is you're gonna need gloves, because if you're gonna be doing lip glosses for people, you want to be as hygienic as possible. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, I forgot, this is what you're gonna be using to fill. After you make your lip gloss, you definitely gonna pull it here and then fill in here. Make sure that it's not dirty on the side, so that people cannot think maybe it's like a used lip gloss or something like that. So yeah, this is the syringe that you're gonna be using. Super important, don't forget to buy it. Excuse my voice. Yeah guys, I feel like this is all that you need. These are the essentials. You might need other things, but this is definitely the essential that you need. These are like an example of lip glosses that I've been making. I've been playing around with color tints and everything, trying to make the best thing. This is how it looks like. Can you guys see that? It's actually matte. I don't think you guys can see that clearly. This is an example of a lipstick that I've been trying to do. I've been just playing with my lip tints just to find the perfect combination and the perfect matte lipstick. So this is how the color looks like. The other one that I've made, I was trying to go for the perfect nude for a girl, for dark toned melanin girl. So I didn't get it right, but it's still a beautiful color. This is how it looks like, but I didn't want something like this. So this basically, this like this color thing, all you have to do is to play with different lip tints and different combination and different measurements, just to look for the perfect one. I also have a lip gloss one. I was trying to go for my skin color nude. As you guys can see, it really takes time for you to get the perfect color, but I'm not mad at these colors, guys. I'm not mad at all. So these are the colors that I managed to come up with. You can also come with a lot of colors, different colors, and start your lip gloss brand. This video is gonna end here. I think on the next video I'm gonna be doing the whole process of making a lip gloss, showing you guys everything. I can't do it now because I didn't buy my own my gloves. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, share if you can. Bye guys.